Welcoming a very young and dynamic Mr. Anmol Shetty, Executive Director, RNS Motors, Maruti Suzuki. Anmol, we've been told you're quite tech savvy, responsible for a lot of digital initiatives across the dealerships. Firstly, welcome this interview.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for that introduction. Yeah, it's really good to be here and talk about.
Anmol, we are mainly talking about Maruti Suzuki and the Karnataka auto industry. Could you start by telling us about the auto industry in the Karnataka market, number one, and how Maruti Suzuki has fared in the recent times, especially during this pandemic?
Well, the recent times have been very promising for the auto industry and Maruti Suzuki. To give you a perspective, basically in the month of July, the auto industry recovered around 80%. And for the month of August, it recovered more than 100% compared to its last year number. And September month has been going phenomenally well, and we expect to cross our last year number easily. In Karnataka, Maruti Suzuki, being a market leader, sold more than 12,000 vehicles in the last 2 months, and we at RNS Motors sold more than 1,400 vehicles put together. And now with the good monsoon and upcoming festive season, we see growing demand in the next few months. And as a result, we have done a lot of digital initiatives to give the customer a very contactless experience. We are providing customers with e-brochures, e-quotations, and they also have the option of booking the vehicle online through the e-booking platforms. And we are also facilitating home deliveries of the vehicles for the customers' ease and convenience.
There's a lot of buzz around compressed natural gas and the range of cars, CNG cars under Maruti Suzuki. Yeah. Also the S-CNG technology. Do you want to tell us a little bit about this?
Maruti Suzuki has been a pioneer in launching the CNG technology in the passenger vehicle segment. We launched our first CNG vehicle way back in 2010. And with the S-CNG technology, Maruti Suzuki has set a new benchmark in the green fuel mobility with over sales of 1 lakh vehicles in the last financial year. The SCNG also ensures solid performance, enhanced safety, and it's a great saving. And we have an entire range of vehicles available for our customers.
Can you tell us about the models in Maruti Suzuki that are equipped with this particular SCNG technology?
Yeah. As I told earlier, we have a complete range. So in the entry-level segment, there are around 4 SCNG vehicles available. They are the Alto, Celerio, Wagoner, and the Espresso. And in the higher segment, we also have the Ertiga CNG and the Eco CNG. And now for our fleet and taxi customers, we have an entire range of 2 vehicles with the SCNG technology. Also, I'd like to apprise you of the fact that currently in Bangalore, there are around 20 CNG pumps available. And by the end of the year, there are going to be 50 pumps available. So the availability of SCNG fuel is not going to be a problem.
That is normally a concern. Can you tell us about the benefits, both economic and ecological, of using a Maruti Suzuki SCNG car?
Well, the SCNG vehicles have a lot of benefits. To give you a perspective, the CNG rate in Bangalore will be around 15 rupees per kg. And for a vehicle like the Wagoner, which has a mileage of around 32.5 kilometers per kg, it's the lowest running cost compared to any other fuel. Secondly, all our CNG vehicles have a dual fuel option. So basically, there's a petrol tank as well as a CNG tank available. And the fuel switchover between this vehicle is automatic. So customer has no issue because there's a seamless switchover. When the CNG gets over, it switches over to petrol fuel. And there's also 2 separate fuel gauges. So the customer can always keep track of the fuel of the CNG as well as the petrol. And as you know, the CNG vehicles are lowest emission and contribute to a much greener environment.
Low carbon footprint. Could you tell us about the safety measures in these SCNG Maruti Suzuki cars?
Yeah, the CNG vehicles have a lot of safety features. They come retrofitted with a micro switch which prevent the car from starting while refueling at a pump. And they also have stainless steel pipes and joints to give the car a complete corrosion-resistant, leak-proof design. And they also have an integrated wiring harness, which eliminates any chance of short circuits. And CNG cars offer the best mileage, and they are obviously the lowest running cost per kilometer. So they are ensuring complete safety from the OEM side.
Safe to say it's a good combination of economy, ecology put together?
Yeah.
Yeah. Before we let you go, Anmol, could you tell us about the RNS Motors network in Karnataka? And if you have a message for all our viewers.
Yeah. Basically, this year marks 25 years of our association with Maruti Suzuki. So in these 25 years, our network has spread around 6 cities in Karnataka, covering Bangalore, Hubli, Bijapur, Gadag, Sirsi, and Murdeshwar. In these 6 cities, we have around 19 touch points covering sales, service, true value, body shop, driving school, as well as commercial vehicles. So it's safe to say that we have a vast network coverage, and this helps us provide better service to our customers, reach across Karnataka. And lastly, I'd like to say, I request all our esteemed customers to take care of their health and be safe in this current pandemic situation. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Anmol. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Red FM 93.5